Hi sewing friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mary and today we are going to make a super cute mini skirt together. It has an adorable flare silhouette with 10 panels sewn together and a zipper on the side. It's very easy to make and you'll see that you will sew it in no time. The pattern will be the first link in the description box down below, so grab it and let's fire up our sewing machines. So to make this skirt you'll need a few supplies, the fabric, an invisible zipper for the skirt, fusible interfacing to reinforce the waist facing, and of course the pattern, which is of one panel for the skirt and one panel for the waist facing. Regarding the fabric, I have this lightweight wool fabric. Is from a company called Beglarian Fabrics, and I will link their website down below. This is 97% wool and 3% elastan, so it has a little bit of stretch. It's a lightweight wool. It's 120 grams per meter and it's very soft and nice at the touch, and it's perfect for this skirt. You can find also more fabric recommendations in the sewing instructions that will come with the pattern. So here are all my panels cut out. You will end up with 10 panels. So now what you'll have to do is to place all of your panels right sides together and stitch your seams. I will pin this in place. And now open this and place another panel to this. And now let's place another panel and do this until you pin all your panels together. I have pinned all the panels together, and this is the side seam. So we'll be finishing this with a serger or zigzag stitch, because here it will be placed the invisible zipper on the side seam. So finish the edge with the serger or zigzag stitch, and let's go and stitch all the panels together. Before finishing the raw edges with the serger, it's best to press your seam open. This way the seam will be truly invisible on the right side. So first press your seams open and then finish with the serger or a zigzag stitch. So this is how it will look if you press your seam open. And now after pressing all your seams, simply put the seams together and serge. Now take the waist facings and apply a piece of fusible interfacing on the wrong side. And now finish the side and the bottom edge with an overlock or zigzag stitch on both pieces, and then place them right sides together and stitch only at one side. And now it's time to insert the invisible zipper. But first I have applied a piece of fusible interfacing on the wrong side of the fabric to reinforce this area on both sides. And now take the zipper, open it and place it right side to your fabric. Leave 1 centimeter from the waistline and place your end of the zipper there. And now do the same on the other side. And now stitch the zipper in place with the invisible zipper foot. And now let's finish up the bottom of the skirt. So this is the zipper tail, and I will place these right sides. Pull your zipper tail out of the way and pin this in place. And now I have switched to the normal zipper foot to stitch this. And now let's press this open. And moving on, it's time to stitch the waist facing. Place one end here. And pin this in place. Place the other end to the other side of the zipper. And the middle seam will go to the middle of the dress, which will mean 5 panels on the back, 5 panels on the front. And now let's stitch this in place. And now understitch the seam allowance on the facing side. And now fold the facing over the zipper like so and stitch the side seam. And now trim your corners. And turn it on the right side. And now it's time to press it. And the final step is to hem the skirt. And to do this, I will make a baby rolled hem. So I will fold this 1 centimeter and stitch. Then cut half of the seam allowance and fold it once again and stitch. So now let's cut half of the seam allowance. And now I will fold this once again. And stitch. And here's the final result of the hem. I've also pressed it. This is on the wrong side and on the right side. And we are done. We have a new beautiful skirt. And that's the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much if you stayed with me until the end. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram with Mary the Dressmaker if you decide to make one of yours. I would love to see your versions. Alright, so see you next time, and until then, happy sewing!